Ward Hi-Tech are famed for having a lot of machines readily available in stock. Couple that with a fantastic finance package of buy now, pay later. On top of that, some of the tax savings now are huge. We're talking in the tens of thousands. I'll tell you about that later. Let's go see Richard and talk about one of the machines that you can get your hands on. So this is the MCV 860 Machining Centre, one of many Darling machines that Ward Hi-Tech hold in stock with this fantastic finance deal. So what's special about this machine, Richard?
This machine again is one of our popular end Darling machines, BT40. This machine's got an 8,000 RPM spindle. There's another option of a 15,000 RPM direct drive. You can see from this machine it's got equipped with a Pearson full 4th axis rotary table. So that means it can both rapid and feed in combination of movements with the other axes.
Right, so Darling machines, very popular. They've been around 40 years. Solid machine. But you tell me a lot of people are trying to transform the way they machine by having a 4th axis table.
On the 4th axis table, we can position sometimes the table so it literally overhangs the table on a subplate, so we can keep the remaining area of the machine table available for everyday work, so we don't have to take the table off. This machine is always comes prepped, as you can see, with the cables ready to use at the 4th axis.
And this is available on other model sizes as well.
That's right. And there's 3 popular sizes of Pearson table. This is the smallest, the 220. We do a 280 and a 320. And as well as the obvious size differences between the chuck diameter that changes, the through bore of each table changes.
So you're selling these machines with a package,
Yes.
and of course these Pearson tables, they can go up to 1.2 metres in size, but these
Yes.
are the sizes you have in stock.
That's right. These are those 3 sizes. On the rotary table, one feature which is very interesting for certain customers is that we can either have the table as it's shown now in view, or we can lay the table on its back so that the chuck is pointing skywards, and it gives us again a much wider versatility of doing extra parts, extra wide parts that we can do half and half by rotating the table.
Richard, who is buying these tables?
Everybody.
Good answer.
They're really versatile because they're a true 4th axis, as I mentioned. One interesting application is that when you set the fixture or you design a fixture, we don't need this fixture to be super accurate. We can clock the fixture in and set that datum. Again, if somebody has the inevitable small crash and something moves, rather than send the fixture back to the fixture maker, we can just clock the table in again, reset the datum, and we're off and running in minutes.
In your opinion, why do you think that people should go for, okay, they've got this machine, but why do you think they go for this package? What's it going to do for them in their business?
Flexibility, versatility, and the ability to take on much a wider range of parts and machine them efficiently.
This machine, of course, is available from stock and in different sizes and with different packages too. So make sure you're watching to find out how you can benefit from this purchase. You've chosen the machine that you want, so how can Ward Hi-Tech hold your hand along the buying process? Right, you can reduce your tax bill by £24,700 for every £100,000 spent on a new machine that is in stock here at Ward Hi-Tech. You can use the super deduction offer alongside Ward Hi-Tech's buy now, pay nothing until summer 2023. You can also trade in your old machine and use that as a deposit. So in some instances, you're not paying anything until summer 2023. And now this needs to be all sorted by March the 31st. So get in touch with Ward Hi-Tech now, because your machine can be making you money on your shop floor.